Try nyo naman dito sa Hungry Homies. Newly open sila dito sa Molito, Alabang. And yan yung guide nyo for their store opening hours. Ganda ng place, ang lakas maka-retro vibes. Ang lamig ng place. Syempre, bago pa eh. Malimit kasi namin to makita sa social media kaya pinuntahan na lang namin to. Gusto lang talaga namin makita if it really lives up to the hype. So yan yung kanilang menu guys, i-post nyo na lang. And they have 3 kinds of burgers listed on their menu. And hindi ka mahihirapang pumili because the ingredients were listed clearly. And uy, parang artista yun ah. Uy, si paring E.A. Guzman at saka si Billy Crawford oh. Very accommodating and very friendly ng mga staffs nila. Proceed na tayo sa food, shall we? So we've got this cheesy french fries. Masarap yung fries, but there's nothing special about the sauce. Ano lang, parang regular cheese sauce lang yan. Then puris yung kinuha ng mga pinsang ko. Okay naman daw yung lasa ng burger, sakto lang. And you know, burgers are best paired with soft drinks. We've got this homie special french fries. Same lang siya dun sa naunang fries, but with the hint of sweetness because of the caramelized onions. Next is we got the Run BMC. I mean, solid naman yung burger. Solid naman yung Chipotle barbecue mayo. Pero parang under season lang siya para sa akin. So next time na visit nyo dito sa Molito, Alabang,